1 winners in this round. Partey, Gokhan, Walkon, YLMZ. You're the top winners. Well done. Bets are open now. Ready to go again? I know, players. It's happened so fast. Like, wicked fast. Bets are closed. Good luck to you. Top slot offers you crazy time at 4 times multiplier. Now, what's it gonna be? Winning segment, crazy time. All right, players, emergency meeting. Let's go. And don't forget that top slot multiplier. All right. You gotta win today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, choose clappers. First, we'll improve every. Thanks to the top slot. And now, your multipliers: green or blue or the yellow. Choose now. 5 seconds to make a decision. All right, decision time's over. Maximum multiplier 400x. We see a double on the yellow flapper. 80x on the blue, 60x on green. And now, maximum multiplier 800x. $200x multiplier on the yellow flapper. Ramon, Daisy, Kevin, this crap.
Let's see how it goes. Welcome on, newcomers. Welcome here. My name is Eliza. Wait, the last crazy time is what, a 60, 80, and a 200x? That means you had some additional multiplier, did you? Didn't you? I wish you good luck. Cash hunt for the 4x. Need to have a cash hunt. Need to have a cash hunt. Give me the cash hunt. Give me the cash hunt. Give me the cash hunt, baby. Just give me the cash hunt and make me as a queen. Give me the cash hunt. Give me the cash hunt. That's what about I'm talking. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the cash hunt. Give me the highest. Give me the highest. Give me the highest. Give me the highest. Give me the best board here. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, right here, the highest is a 500x. But that's not it, ladies and gentlemen. 4 times multiplier. That means it's a 2K. That's the highest, ladies and gentlemen. 2000x is somewhere there. Let's mix it up, ladies and gentlemen. Let's mix it up. And then let's shoot it somewhere. The 2K is hiding. 2K, ladies and gentlemen, and a cash hunt, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Now you have to make a decision. We stop. Where the 2K is hiding, feel free to use an auto choice or the pick. Left, right, up, down. I wish you all the best. Okay, you already made a choice. I choose the bunny. You already made a choice. What do we have? What, a 200? Actually, there was a 2K, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Look at you. Next to me, we had a 2K special coins.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.